Hi everyone! In this short video, I'm going to show you how to create your own free online Gerber Viewer using PCB Preflight. First, go to PCBPreflight.com and create an account. You can get started for free. I'm already a member, so I'll go straight to my dashboard. Once you're logged in, look to the left, API Automation, select Apps Manager, and create a new app. Give it a name. Then you'll see it here at the top of the list. Click your viewer. On this page, you'll see a list of options that you can add to your viewer. But for demonstration purposes today, we're going to keep it simple and just create a basic free Gerber Viewer. Go ahead and enable these options. Drop file, extract PCB information, and online viewer. After selecting these options, you will need to configure each one. You can go ahead and do that, adjust them however you prefer. But for demonstration purposes today, we're going to keep them as the default settings. Once that's done, save and update. And here's your ABC Gerber Viewer. Click on the Share Apps. Now you can either copy the share link above, or if you prefer, you can embed the viewer into your website. You can copy the iframe or the JavaScript code below. And here's what we've created today. ABC Gerber Viewer. Now, if you'd like to see a working example, you can also try the viewer running on our website at numericalinnovations.com. Go to Online Viewer, and this is exactly what we've created on our website, and you can do so too. And that's all it takes to create your own online Gerber Viewer using PCB Preflight and PCB Preflight API plan. Thank you for watching.